Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the 6th International Conference 2021, sponsored by IEEE. I am really glad to represent my paper in this today's conference. My paper title is Hybrid Algorithm on Semantic Web Crawler for Search Engine to Improve Memory Space and Type. Paper ID is 690. Myself, Dr. Poonam Lambate, from JSPM, Jayawantharao Sawant College of Engineering, Hadapsar, affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. The co-authors are Aparna Hamberde, Dr. Emmanuel Mark, Dr. Shailesh Hamberde. All are affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University. The outline of the presentation is introduction, literature survey, motivation, problem statement, objective of the present work, proposed system architecture, experimental work, result analysis and discussion, and conclusion, and the scope for future work. The abstract of the paper is why this World Wide Web, where the huge work is going on. In this pandemic situation also, many of the students are using the internet, and the data is being searched on the search engine, different search engine, the different search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc., where the search engine use diverse web crawlers for obtaining search result proficiently. The main objective of this research is identifying the bottleneck in the conventional framework. Astronomical rise in the usage of internet has eased the way we communicate with each other, whether we are in India or we are in any part of the world. This virtual God has made us closer than ever in the 21st century. However, with boom comes in the internet. The web is source of vital information where we get more information on different search engine. Approximately 4.05 billion pages being indexed by the search engine every day. Searching and retrieving relevant information is a major objective of the computer technology, where commercial search engines like Google, Bing have proved to the best for information search on web and process almost 2.5 petabyte of data daily. Web crawler system for finding new innovative patterns for web is a research challenge. This is nothing but a diagram of the web crawling, where this is a search engine, web search system with the web crawlers. Whatever the information has been searched, which has been crawled, web pages, website, then website crawling. Crawling is nothing but an searching one by one, where you can get it with the proper data. The copies that the information you get it, then the store the information into the database, then the result from the database, that search engine, and then the web crawler. Web crawler, sometimes called as a spider, or it is an internet bot. Internet bot, also known as web robot, WW robot, in a software application that runs automated tasks over the internet. Typically, bots perform tasks that are both simple and structurally repeated. Crawlers are computer programs that roams the web with the goal of automatic specific task related to the web. The role of crawler is to collect web contents, all the web contents, whatever is needed, whichever is searched, to get that the crawler has been worked. Here is the next slide of which demonstrate the literature survey, or we can say literature review. In literature survey, studied many papers, and only few of them are filtered here. The first paper, which is nothing but scheduling algorithm for web crawler. In this, the method which is used, that is nothing but the crawling the largest site first. The concept of this is that crawling starts with the sites with the large number of web pages which have not been traveled yet. The advantage of this is that the large websites are crawled first, but the drawback, or we can say disadvantage, that existing pages which are important are crawled later. So this is one of the drawback of this paper. Then the next, that is effective page research policies for web crawlers, ACM transaction on database system, where the method which has been used is nothing but benefit for breadth first search algorithm has been used, where the start at the root URL and search all the neighboring URLs at the same level. But here the advantages is nothing but well studied for situations where the objective is found on the shallower part in the deeper tree. But the drawback is that it will not perform according to the predefined parameters. So that makes the web crawler or the particular page to get it immediately. The next is nothing but novel web crawler algorithm on query-based approach with increased efficiency, where methods are there, that is nothing but by the user by the use of filter. And the concept in this query-based approach, crawling is done by the use of filter. Here it reduces the network traffic, but simultaneously the drawback is that consumption of the additional filter crawler is engaged in more tedious work like filtering the relevant domain web pages. The next paper is nothing but an efficient crawling through URL order. Here the methods are nothing but crawling through URL ordering. Then the concept is it visit easier URLs that have anchor text which is similar to the driving query, or link distance is also short to a page. Extremely useful when we are trying to crawl a fraction of the web and we need to revisit page often to detect changes. But the drawback is that the effective performance of the crawling method is hampered significantly. So after valuable insight received from this literature survey and from different conference and from the expert research person, still there are some gap recognized. That gap recognized are nothing but URL has not received sufficient attention in the past. Also there is an static database is there, then working on static database it do not give the proper output. Then here we are working on the live crawl data. We can work on the live crawl data. It is difficult to identify the semantic matching based on the user input. Domain specific search can be used to construct classification of web pages and to solve the issue of high performance of crawling in the uncontrolled web environment. Conducting an extensive survey on the research work studied along with across the World Wide Web, we have identified several challenges which we are going to say. Here the literature survey distribution has been done by myself, that is international journals of IEEE, Springer and many other, that is 57% has been gone through it. Then web portal, that is 20%, IEEE transaction paper, that are 16%, and the others survey which has been done, which is of 7%. So the research challenges are that are nothing but quality of keyword based search, then the effectiveness of web extraction, then semantic based query, consumption of network bandwidth and its effect on web servers, improvement in the quality of information collection. With all these things that has been motivated to me to go with the work for the web search engine. So the problem definition of the work is to enhance the novelty of the data extraction obtained during the atom mining process. The recursive learning technique is synergized with the hybrid method. Semantic web crawler of the search engine by using improved techniques to get the exact data with the less execution of the time. The working of the system is that the web pages we search some data, then the web pages are being crawled, then recursive crawling goes on at the back end, then the pre-processing of the same. Then we have used the algorithm that is nothing but an Shannon information gain. Then later on atoms set generation has been done, recursively learning and purning has been done, and the main thing that is nothing but eclat, declat and epigrowth algorithm to get the proper output of the same. Then the fuzzy logic and then the interesting pattern has been received. This is nothing but an working of the system. This is a eclat algorithm which has been used in my system. The eclat algorithm which gives in this with the help of the eclat algorithm, the web pages are been, whatever web pages are crawled, that data is been collected, and that on that data it has been executed. Then also the declat algorithm has been executed on the same. And then the third, which my actual research work I have done it, that the combination of eclat and declat algorithm I have worked it and proposed hybrid equation to improve the performance of the semantic web crawler at runtime and the memory usage. The main part of it is nothing but an result analysis. The result analysis is here in front of us, that the comparative analysis of memory consumption using eclat, declat and proposed hybrid algorithm on semantic web crawler. That here association rule mining has been done. That TS is nothing but threshold support and TC is nothing but threshold confidence. A different threshold support and threshold confidence has been applied on the data. And then it has been checked by using eclat, declat and proposed hybrid algorithm. With all this comparative, it has been find out that the proposed hybrid algorithm is consisting that memory consumption is less as compared to eclat and declat. This is nothing but a graphical representation of the work which has been done. Memory consumption for different TS and TC. TS is nothing but threshold support and TC is threshold confidence. With this three, that is, it has been proved that the memory consumption with the hybrid algorithm has been less. The next result analysis which we have done it on the time comparison, time consumption, the comparative analysis of time comparison using eclat, declat and proposed hybrid algorithm. Here also associated rule mining has been applied, where TS, different TS and different TC is been proposed. Also with the help of this three different algorithm, that is eclat, declat and the proposed hybrid algorithm has been checked, and again here it has been proved that the time comparison time consumption for by using proposed hybrid algorithm is less as compared to eclat and declat. This is the graphical representation for the time comparison using eclat, declat and proposed, and it has been proved that the hybrid algorithm is the best than eclat and declat. Then the different application has been there, that is nothing but World Wide Web Worm, then Scoogie crawler, hidden web, Yahoo search crawler, fast crawler, Google bot, Metabot and Polybot. These are the different application of the crawler. The advantages and limitations. The advantages, which increase in the performance of the data, more scalability in crawler of the URLs, best execution time as compared to the other techniques, effectiveness of hybrid method in increase in memory and time. And the limitation is that issue in concern to parallel focus crawler, search engine database updating, there is some issue, and dataset atoms with different threshold is not often. The conclusion of this today's paper is that the comparative analysis of different algorithm of associated rule mining present an interesting insight into the memory utilization era. that eclat-declat algorithm consumes a comparatively higher memory, while the proposed hybrid approach takes pretty less memory as compared to the contemporaries. The timeline ratio analysis, namely TS and TC, the threshold support and threshold confidence value of this different algorithm, pinpoints the lesser time ratio values generated by the hybrid approach. The traditional method of semantic crawling, on the contrary, assume higher TS and TC values. This proves that efficiency and precision of the hybrid algorithm as against with the rival traditional algorithm. So with this, this is the different references, bibliography that I have used while doing this paper. Total year, which are the different IEEE, then Springer, then all international conference papers are being received. Any question? And thank you for this today's presentation.